Hi, I'm Adam Leverage with Top Local TV, and I'm joined here today by Dr. Mark Ballif of the Utah Eye Centers. Now, Dr. Ballif is a board-certified ophthalmologist that's been practicing in the state of Utah for about the last 27 years and is known in the community as an expert in LASIK surgery as well as cataract surgery here in the Utah area. And Dr. Ballif, thanks so much for joining me here on this segment.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, my pleasure. Now, Dr. Ballif, if somebody were looking for, say, a LASIK surgeon or cataract surgeon, or I guess just maybe an ophthalmologist in the Utah area, what advice would you give on the types of things that really a patient should be looking for?
Well, it's always important to have a lot of experience in anything that we do, and cataract surgery is no different. It's very important to go to someone who's very experienced, has good training in an eye procedure, whether it be LASIK or cataract surgery, and also someone who's board certified in their respective field. I think that's very important. They have to meet certain criteria and standards of care, and so a good, well-trained, board certified ophthalmologist is always one that you would want to go to.
Excellent. Well, thanks for sharing that information, Dr. Ballif. And I know that Utah Eye Centers actually has a number of ophthalmologists there on staff. And in your view, and maybe in the view of, say, a prospective patient, why is that important?
Well, the patient's able to get comprehensive eye care. In other words, if they have glaucoma or if they have cataracts or some other condition, a pediatric patient, and they don't have to make multiple doctor appointments. They can pretty much get all of their eye care done here at the Utah Eye Center. We also have our own optical in our locations, optical shops where a patient can get contact lenses and glasses. And we pretty much have handpicked, feel very fortunate to have outstanding board-certified ophthalmologists and optometrists who we feel are really the best in their field. And so really, pretty much you get all of your eye care in one location.
Well, and you bring up, I think, an interesting point, and that is that if somebody were looking for, say, a great ophthalmologist in the Utah area or a great optometrist, and they came to the Utah Eye Centers, what type of experience would they expect?
Well, we pride ourselves on two things. One is providing the best type of eye care possible, and by that I mean whether it's eye exams or surgical procedures, but we also try and take care of the patient's individual needs. We feel that we take time with patients, whether it be from the check-in process to the technicians taking the history and recording the information to the doctors to where we go in and see the patients. We're providing them an individualized experience and try and meet their needs and take care of their eye conditions and problems. So that's really what we try and do. We also offer the very best in technology. From our lasers, we have our own excimer laser here for LASIK surgery. We have an adjacent surgical center where we perform most of our surgeries. We also recently acquired a femtosecond cataract laser that assists us doing state-of-the-art modern cataract surgery.
Well, and it sounds like you've really got some great things happening there at Utah Eye Centers, Dr. Ballif. And if somebody were looking for, say, a LASIK surgeon or a cataract surgeon or just an ophthalmologist in general, what could you offer to get them to come and experience really all that Utah Eye Centers has to offer?
Well, one thing that we always offer is free LASIK consultations, meaning if a patient's interested in LASIK or some other refractive procedure, they can call our office and schedule a free consultation where they come in and their measurements are taken, their eyes are examined, to see if they are a LASIK candidate or an ICL candidate or need something else like cataract surgery. So that's a no-cost exam. We also, during the holiday season, offer what's called Toys for Tots, where if the patient brings in a $30 toy, they get a significant discount on their LASIK. So this not only benefits the patient, but also the community. We also offer free cataract consultations.
Excellent. Well, Dr. Ballif, thank you so much for sharing your insights in what to look for in a great ophthalmology practice and your knowledge and experience here today. And it's been certainly a pleasure having you on.
Thanks so much.
And my pleasure.